Now, registering and investing through UTI Mutual Fund App and website is easier than ever before. Now coming to registration for existing investors, the process is more or less similar to that of new investors. Just enter your PAN and click on Proceed. You will see a list of your existing folios. Select a folio where your current active mobile number and email ID are present for authentication via OTP. Now, you can go ahead and create your username and password. Make sure your password is at least 10 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters. Do enable Touch and Face ID for faster login. Now that your registration is done, you can log in via multiple modes using your username or PAN. If you have set up your MPIN or enabled Face or Touch ID, then for subsequent logins, you can just use those for faster login. It is that easy. Now, you are ready to begin your investment journey with the new UTI Mutual Fund Investor app. The UTI Mutual Fund Investor app is available on Google Play Store and App Store. Download the app today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.